formula F equals 6 for C plus 20 when C equals 24. So we have C 6 over 4 and C plus 20. But they're telling us that the C has a value of 24. Okay, that is what they're telling us. C equals 24. So we're going to have to rewrite this number again. Parenthesis. This signifies multiplication as well. Substitute the value of C for 24 plus 20. We're going to have to multiply this. Since we can't multiply a fraction by a whole number, turn it into a fraction here. And just for the sake of getting a smaller number, we're going to have to cross cancel. I know some of you do not like to cross cancel, but cross canceling makes it a lot better because it makes your number smaller. So we're going to cross cancel by 4. Why by 4? Because we have to find a number that they both have in common. So I'm going to show you a times table, and you're going to see how in the times table 4 is a number that is in common with the 4 times table. You will find 4 and 24 in the same times table. So now, I'm going to divide it by, 4 here and 4 here. Cross it out. That's what we call it, cross cancel. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Cross it out. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So now I have 6 times 1. I don't worry about anything else. Why I don't multiply 1 times 1? Because it's going to give me the same answer. And it's going to give me any proper fraction. And when I divide it, I'm going to get the same answer. I don't need that extra problem. I don't need that extra work. So that's why I'm just going to multiply 6 times 6 equals 36, which gives me a whole number, which is what I want. Now bring down my sign, bring down my 20 plus 20. 6 plus 20, that's going to be equals to 56. And that is my answer 9, which is write the expression that is equivalent to C plus C plus C. So we need C plus C plus C. C plus C, that means how many C's do you see? 3. And 3 of them are C. So that means you're repeating C 3 times. Why do we do that instead of doing C to the 3rd power? Because this is addition. Addition. You can only do this if this would have been C times C times C. That means that C is repeating 3 times. In this case, C has the value of 1. Okay, that is why we have 1, which has the value of 1. Let me erase this so that you know. Another C has the value of 1. Another C has the value of 1 again. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3. And I have 3 C's. Okay? Got it? Okay, next. Number 10. Each expression is equivalent to the expression 80 plus 20x by checking the appropriate box in the table below. So these are the boxes. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a box. I'm going to put E for equivalent and E with a no on the side for not equivalent. Okay? I think that sounds fair. Okay, the first problem. So basically this question is just asking you, is 80 plus 20, is it equals to 20x plus 80? Is it? Is it? Let's see. Look where the x is and the 20, and look where the 20 is to our original what we are using to compare it to. All this right here. You're going to use all of this to compare it to this. All of this to compare it to this. Okay, so we need to know whether these are equal to this. That's what we're doing. But look here. They are in different position and we have an they are different positions, so no, they are not equivalent. These are not equivalent whatsoever. Okay, you are going to have a problem just like this with a unit assessment. You have to just check the box, but you're going to have to do the work on the side so that you can. So the first one is no. Okay. Now the next one, 2. And I hope you remember how to do this. This is, what is this called? I can hear some of you already saying a distributive property, right? Very good. What kind of method do we use? If it rains a lot, we see a. If you're saying rainbow, you are correct. Rainbow method. 2 times 4 is 8, but we have a 0, becomes 80x. We always have to bring the variable down with us. Again, we do it again. 2 times 2 plus is 4. I have a 0, bring it down, 40. Is this, I'm going to get a highlighter again. And I'm going to use a different color. Is this the same as this? Nope. It is not. I have a 40 and the other one has a 20. Come on. Right? So, nope. Let's hope we have a better luck with the next one. So this one was no luck. Now we have 20 and 4x. 20 times 4 plus x. Okay, so 20 parentheses 4 plus x. Again, we use distributive property, rainbow method. 2 times 4 is 80. Right? Because I have a 0, bring down the 0. 20 times x is 20x. Oh, what do you know? Look at that. This is definitely the same as this. So it is a definitely yes. Yes, it is the same. Let's see if we're lucky and we can see 10 parentheses 8 plus 2x. Let's see, let's aim for a winner. Yeah. 10, 8 plus 2x parentheses. Let's see, rainbow method again. What do we call that? Okay, if you say distributive property, once again, you are correct. Then again, you can always type distributive property whenever I'm asking you a question. Well, whenever the response is distributive property, so that I'll know that when you were watching this video, you were like focusing and paying attention to what I was saying. You never know, I can give you points. Okay, 10 times 8 is 80. So far, it looks good. 10 times 2 is 20x. What do you know? All right. It works. See if we can get a cool highlighter. No. Oh, yes, it works. Yes, it is the same, buddies, my students, my friends. Okay, so for number 10, that is what we have to do. Okay? It looks like a lot, but if we do it constantly before the test, you're going to memorize the method and you're going to be able to answer it.